Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to try something. I saw on Facebook a woman who says, "How do I get my leather so thin? Let me show you." And then she had this belt sander rig so she could put her, big pieces of leather on it and sand it down so that it was thinner. And so I thought, wow, wouldn't that be an awesome way to skive, right? So you could thin your leather without getting skive throughs. Like this piece here I tried to skive, and I've got 2 skive throughs here, just there, because this leather was so difficult. So let's see what happens. I have my nail drill, but I'm going to see what happens when I do this, okay? Let's see if it works, because that would be a great idea, right? For people who don't have a blade. Okay, it's a little messy, but it's working. Now, the only issue I have is I've got all this, it's got hairy sides to it, but it's thinner. So, let's see here. Yeah, look at that. It's much thinner, if you can see that. So that's another way you could skive. Now, the problem with this is that I'm at an angle. So let's see. So I get out one of my cutting boards. This one needs to be planed down. It's just kind of been used up a lot because this way here doesn't work. It's at an angle. I want to be flat. So let me try it this way. Wow, that's pretty cool. So this is the one, the whatever I got with my nail drill. It's not. I mean, I don't know what the sandpaper grit is. No. Because I use this so much, I went and I bought some extra from Temu. And I guess let's try. So, see the difference. So this is a 180, and it definitely is a finer grit. So let's see. This is a mess here. So the cool thing is I can go, I can check my speed, but I also can go forward or reverse, which makes it more convenient for doing the skiving. Let's see. Okay, that's the finest one, and it works. I got my skive through, and that one works. Yeah, these fit on pretty snug, so. You also can get these for Dremel. So that was, the next one I have is a 120. I mean, that one worked okay. I think you need a little bit more. It would take a long time doing that one. So we'll see. Okay, it still takes a little bit of time. So let's go to the next up. And that's an 80. So this is a really open wide grit. It should probably plow through this really quick. Verdict is in. It really makes a mess, but yeah, you can get it pretty thin. And I like the bigger grit, and I think that the ones that came with my nail drill are also 80s because it feels very close. So it's a very open grit. So I don't know if that'll help you with your skiving to be able to just, buzz it real quick to bring things down. Biggest issue is the hair on the sides here. So I know this is regular tooling leather that I've turned into lace. So I'd have to edge coat to plaster down all those hairs, or I'd have to snip them. But it is, like I said, it's a tooling leather, right? So I'm going to get a piece of regular leather lace. So I just got this kangaroo from Tandy because I'm out of my Rio Rondo, and let's see how that works on the kangaroo. for your lace and your cut pieces, you could do this. Now it does get hot, so beware, don't leave it in one place a long time. You can burn through. As you can see, there's the difference in thickness. So still have the hairy whatever issue, all that extra fiber coming off of it. Let's turn this off. So yeah, that'll work. So sanding it will work if you want to have some, if you want to thin it that way instead of using a blade. And for this particular calf that doesn't want to skive because it doesn't have that sweet spot, for this, this is what I'm going to use. I'll use this with the 80 grit. Alright, well, I have a mess to clean up. But anyways, thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.